Photoshop's new generative fill just got smarter, and here's how to use it by using the model selector to get exactly the AI results you want. So, we have here the generative fill. It can make any content in powerful new ways by simply just typing it, and then it will generate. It is the new AI feature of Photoshop, which is the generative AI, where it needs fine-tuning. So here's how to use it. First, you want to use the selection brush tool or any other selection tool to select an object or area in your image. Simply just click the Generative Fill button that appears in the contextual taskbar. Then you want to write a prompt describing the object or scene you want to generate in the text entry by the prompt box. Then leave it blank and Photoshop will fill in the selection based on the surroundings. So to further customize your results in the Photoshop app, click on the reference image and upload an example image containing desired content like a jean jacket. Just use the image or combine it with a prompt to tailor your result even more. Then lastly is to click Generate. You'll see thumbnails previews of variations generated based on your prompt, and a generative layer will be created in your Layers panel for non-destructive editing of your original image. And to see the variations of your favorite result, select it and then click on Generate Similar to see new versions of that image. And tip is to generate even more options, simply just click the Generate Again button. You can also try editing your prompt to fine-tune your results. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications